Getting you more news from Karnataka, the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has presented his 16th budget today. The main highlight was the increase in contract workers' reservation. The Karnataka government announced a 2 crore increase in the quota for Muslim contractors in public civil works. In this, SC/ST communities of Category 2A and 2B will receive 2 crore increase in their reservation. This quota was demanded by Muslims who fall under Category 2B. Another highlight was 150 crore allocation for Waqf properties. This will provide assistance to Waqf for repairing and renovating Muslim burial grounds. This has triggered a strong response from the BJP in the state, calling the Congress hypocritical and corrupt, claiming that the party is favoring Muslims for vote bank politics.
देखिए 5,000 6,000 में आज के जमाने में होता क्या है? ये तुष्टीकरण है कि आपने एक लॉलीपॉप दे दिया 5-6 हजार का और आप कह रहे हैं कि साहब हमने तो बहुत बड़ा काम कर दिया मुसलमानों के लिए, हिंदू गुरुओं के लिए। इसी को दिल्ली के तरफ 18,000 कीजिए ना। दिल्ली में यही वेतन 18,000 मिलता है, तो आप 18,000 कीजिए तो माने। कुछ आंसू तो पूछे किसी के। आप सिर्फ 6,000 रुपए देकर 6,000 रुपए में सुबह का नाश्ता नहीं होता महीने का।
कर्नाटक सरकार का ये फैसला बहुत ही अच्छा फैसला है और उसका इस्तकबाल करते हैं कि धर्मगुरु जितने भी हैं, चाहे इमाम हो, पुरोहित हो, और जितने भी धर्मगुरु के जितने भी धर्म के जो धर्मगुरु हैं, उनके लिए अगर उन्होंने ऐसा सोचा है और ऐसा फैसला लिया है, इस फैसले का इस्तकबाल करते हैं। और हम चाहते हैं कि पूरे भारत में धर्मगुरुओं के लिए इस तरह का बजट होना चाहिए और उनको इस तरह का जो है वजीफा मिलना चाहिए।
4 lakh crore budget and 5,000 crore for the minorities. Is it big? Is it appeasement? 15% of the state population is minority, and if 5,000 crores is given to the 15% of the population, how does it appeasement? If BJP sees this as appeasement, then the BJP is trying to create an atmosphere of disintegration which will lead to the disunity in the society, and this is an anti-national act by the BJP. So
they are bogus. So they have nothing else to say. They have nothing to talk about the budget because they have not done anything. Have they done anything in favor of the people? No. So they can't understand what it is. This budget has taken care of entire society, entire people, all section of people, all the areas of development wherever has to happen has happened. So there is nothing like a minority appeasement and all this. This is just they want to polarize. They want to do the same thing. They are just talking and they are only talking about how they can divide and rule. We are talking and we are trying our effort to join all together and go take everyone together and make a country and state stronger.
And this has been an attack of the BJP from central or state level since the BJP was born. There is nothing new in it. Nothing special has been given to minorities. So to pull them up socially, economically, educationally, government has to do some programs. It is the responsibility of the government. More than moral, the legal responsibility is there. So what that is being done? Nothing more than that has been done. It's all mischievous, and I condemn that thinking itself.
This year also again 9,000 crores he has collected. So if you look at this budget, this is a halal budget, this is a minority budget, because nothing but minority appeasement. Because in the contracts, in so many other things, in the land allotment, KIDB industrial land allotment, in the PWD contracts, in a minor irrigation contract, everywhere Mr. Siddaramaiah is proposing to give reservation to minorities, which is against the constitution. The constitution of India given by Dr. Ambedkar doesn't talk about reservation based on the religion.
कांग्रेस सरकार 2 साल में क्या क्या किया है जनता को पता है। 5 गारंटी झूठ बोल के अधिकार को आने के बाद ये जो 16वां बजट है, ये बजट कुछ भी नहीं है। ये बजट धोखा बजट है। खास करके मेरे डिपार्टमेंट को पशु संगोपन को कुछ दिया नहीं है, और ये जो बजट है ना, खराब बजट है।